So go anywhere nice except the nightclubs. Please don't bring your girls there.
As a DJ?
Yeah.
Hello, I'm Aji from Archers Network. The season of love is here, and tonight we will be celebrating DLSU's first ever Valentine's concert with songs that will truly make your heart sing. Let's go meet our artists and ask some rapid heart-to-heart Valentine's questions. Animo, kaya mo ba? Hello, today we are joined by...
DJ Ports.
Just last January 23, they were crowned the title of San Miglite DJ Spinoff 2025 champion in La Union. Tonight, they proudly represent DLSU in the nightlife scene, ready to make our hearts race with passion and music. DJ Ports, are you ready for our rapid questions?
Yes.
Animo, kaya mo
Kaya
ba?
Animo, kaya ko.
Flowers or chocolates?
For me, flowers.
Movie night or romantic dinner?
Romantic dinner muna, then movie night after.
Handwritten letter or video or phone call?
Siguro handwritten letter, though mas maganda printed kasi di maganda handwriting ko.
Fill in the blanks. Best way to celebrate Valentine's is to...
So go anywhere nice except the nightclubs.
The best love song to listen to is...
Yeah, White Dress by Kanye West. Yeah.
Magmahal or minamahal?
Hindi ba dapat both? Mas maganda?
Pwede naman. The best word that would describe true love is...
Is God-centered.
Words of affirmation or physical touch?
Words of affirmation.
Quality time or acts of service?
For me, acts of service.
For our very last question, love that heals or love that inspires?
Based on experience, siguro love that heals.
Thank you for those answers, DJ Ports. Now, I've got a question for you later on. Are you ready to make your fans kilig later?
Yes, ready.
Make sure to tune in to DJ Ports' performance later and don't miss any of that fun beats and music. Animo, kaya mo ba?
Animo, kaya ko.